Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be creating custom shapes in Photoshop. So go ahead and create your new folder, or rather your new file, and come here, click and hold. And now we've looked at rectangle tool, ellipse tool, triangle tool, polygon tool, line tool. Now let's look at custom shape tool. So click on custom shape tool, and now you're enabled to put in your colors, right? So let's select this color, or let's select this color for fill color, and let's select this one for stroke color. Let's maybe increase the stroke a bit, give it to 4. Okay, and now when you come here, you're going to see shape, right? So you click here, you're going to see different shapes, and they are even in categories. You can click here to make this bigger. And now I'm just going to open these categories, so you see all the shapes within the categories. So we have these categories for wild animals, we have this one for leaf trees, we have this one for boats, we have this one for flowers. And let's see, can we okay, let's append default ones and see. So when we append, we see that okay, we don't really get more. These are just the default ones. Okay, so we need to append, but we can import shapes. You can import shapes. That allows you to import, and you can see that their format is custom shapes CSH. So that's the format of shapes. So I'm just going to create some of these custom shapes. So click and drag. Now the rules for shifts are still maintained for custom shapes. So you can hold down shift to maintain the what do we call it, the size, the evenness of the size. Okay, so that your shape looks normal. And let's go back and try to create more custom shapes. So let's create this guy. Okay, click on your tool, you can select another guy. Let's create this elephant. Perfect. So let's look at a tree. Let's work with this tree. Perfect. And this tree, I think having a stroke on it won't look too good. Let me just remove the stroke. Okay, that's because there are too many details here. And then let's try a boat. So let's see this guy. Okay. And then finally, I think we should just try a flower. So we can have flowers also. Perfect. Now that's how you create custom shapes in Adobe Photoshop. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.